What is up guys, my name is Level Up Tech and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 12 mini. This phone is going to be released in a few days actually on November 13th, so I thought it would be a good time to kind of go into it. If you end up enjoying the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot. Now let's get right into it. So the purpose of the iPhone 12 mini is that it's going to be just as good as the iPhone 12, but smaller. So right away, I'm going to start off with the display of this phone. It's a 5.4 inch 1080p OLED display, and we're obviously still going to have the notch. A lot of people like the Face ID, and the design for the notch is actually slightly smaller this year compared to last year's iPhone 11, so you will be gaining a little bit of screen, but at the same time, the iPhone 12 mini's notch is the same exact size as the iPhone 12's notch, so you're kind of gaining screen and losing it at the same time. Anyway, I'm going to move on to battery life. The battery in this phone is a 2227 mAh battery, which is pretty small actually. With a smaller phone, you're obviously going to get a smaller battery, and you're going to be sacrificing a little bit of battery life with this phone. You can get about 4 hours of screen on time with this phone, and honestly it shouldn't be a problem because a lot of the people buying this phone are just buying it because they love a small compact phone, or they just don't use their phone as much and they just want a small phone to carry around because it's easier. But this point also takes me to the charging. So obviously there will be no fast charger in the box, but it is capable of fast charging up to 20 watts. Fast charger is sold separately, so if you want fast charging, you're obviously going to have to spend a little more money. Also, an interesting fact, the MagSafe charger actually charges the iPhone 12 mini at a slower rate compared to all the other iPhone 12 models. So the MagSafe charger charges all the other iPhone 12 models at 15 watts, but it charges the iPhone 12 mini at 12 watts. While this isn't the biggest difference, it is important for the consumers to know this in case you're planning on buying the MagSafe charger with your iPhone 12 mini. The last smaller thing about this phone is the speakers. The grill is slightly smaller compared to all the other iPhone 12 models, but the speakers do still sound pretty good. So overall with this phone, there are just a lot of tiny little things that are downgraded. They don't make that big of a difference, but they are there, and it is important for you guys to know that. But besides those little things, everything else is pretty much the same. You're going to have iOS. Your experience is obviously going to be smooth and pretty good with Apple, and you still have the camera system that can take amazing pictures and perfect videos. So other than those few small little things, you're getting pretty much the iPhone 12 just in a smaller compact form. The phone does start at $729 and it releases on November 13th, which is in about 3 days. Anyway, that is all I really have for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.